Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Philly. I'm Ava and today we'll be making a 1-pan Greek shrimp skillet. Let's get started. First we're gonna need a 1-pound bag of our 1620 shrimp. It's one of our larger shrimps, so we're gonna have to peel and devein that, rinse it out really good. Next we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a red onion chopped really finely, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, a pinch of red pepper flakes, 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes with one of the cans drained, the juice drained from the can, 2 handfuls or about 4 cups of baby spinach, 1 cup of pitted Kalamata olives chopped into thirds, zest of half of a lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 3 ounces of crumbled tomato basil feta cheese, the juice from 1 lemon, and fresh oregano leaves to garnish on top. Before you get started, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have an oven-safe skillet and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so to get started, we're gonna pour about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into our skillet over medium heat. And once that gets hot, we're gonna go ahead and add our onions. Now that our olive oil is hot, we're gonna go ahead and add in our half of a cup of red onions. And we're gonna cook it for about 3 minutes until they are soft. All right, now that our onions are cooked and looking pretty soft, we're gonna go ahead and add in our 4 cloves of garlic, our 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, and our pinch of red pepper flakes. And you're gonna wanna cook this for about 2 minutes and until they're fragrant. You'll definitely be able to smell them. All right, these are definitely smelling really good. So we're gonna go ahead and add our diced tomatoes with the juice from one of the cans. Put it on low heat. We're gonna add in our spinach, our baby spinach. And it might seem like a lot right now, but it's gonna wilt down. So we're also gonna add in our Kalamata olives that we cut into thirds. And we're gonna stir that really well, mix it in pretty good. And we're gonna wanna add some salt and pepper to taste. Leave this on here for about 5 to 7 minutes, and we're gonna wait for the tomato juice to be slightly reduced and thicken a little bit. Remember that we're doing this on low heat, so we're waiting for it to simmer. All right, now that our ingredients are all cooked pretty well, the juice is reduced, we're gonna go ahead with our shrimp and just add that on top, all around. And we're gonna turn off our heat. Make sure this is off. And we're just gonna place this however you'd like. All right, now that we have our shrimp added on, we're gonna go ahead with our tomato basil feta cheese, and we're gonna crumble this on top of our shrimp. All right, now that we added our feta cheese and our shrimp, we're gonna get our lemon and juice that on the top. After we're done juicing, we're gonna wanna make sure that we have an oven-safe skillet. That's one of the most important things here, and we're gonna put this in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes until the shrimp is cooked, and you'll be able to tell because it should be pink. All right, so our shrimp look ready. They're pink, looking really good. So now we're just gonna switch it to broil high for about a minute or 2 just to give the feta that golden color that we want. It's been about a minute, so we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Our feta has that golden color that we want, and our shrimp is cooked nicely. And now that it's out, we're gonna go ahead and add some lemon zest on top. All right, now that our recipe's all finished, we went ahead and we served it on some white rice. It serves really well with that. Also, you can have it with pita bread, it's up to you. If you wanna keep it a little healthier, skip the carbs altogether. But make sure to try this Greek shrimp recipe. For more fun and delicious recipes like this, go to phillyseafood.com, and remember to always keep it wild. So good.